divide 529 by 2 in long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 2 and it is 12. 2 times 6 means 12. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down this 9 and 2 times 4 is 8. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 529 divided by 2 is 264.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.